Hi there, I'm Fran Allen, holistic skin therapist and nutritionist here at Province Apothecary, and today I'm so excited to share with you one of our favorite beauty tools, the Dual-Action Jade Roller. Our unique jade roller features a smooth polished end, as well as a textured studded end. This textured end is our approach to holistic microneedling, using these textured studs to help support and stimulate the deeper dermal layers of the skin. This helps to increase collagen and elastin fibers and improve the firmness and tightness of the skin. Think of this as an intense workout for your skin. As with any effective routine, the cool down is just as important as the invigorating workout. Using the smooth end of our jade roller helps to calm and cool stimulated skin after using the studded end. This helps to reduce redness, puffiness, and help to drain the lymph from the skin, leaving you with glowing skin. To start, spritz an even layer of our invigorating and balancing toner over your face and neck. Then apply a thin layer of an oil serum. Today we're going to be using our Clear Skin Advanced Serum. Now to begin, we'll start with our studded end of our jade roller. We want to start at the base of the neck and work upwards towards the jaw. Make sure you're using light pressure as to not irritate the skin. Now roll along your jaw, chin, cheeks, and upper lip. This movement helps to stimulate collagen and elastin and reduce scarring. Now moving to the forehead, we want to cover the rest of the surface of our skin. Now cover all areas of your face, including temples and nose. Make sure to focus on areas where you're noticing a lot of tension in the skin. Now using your smooth end of the jade roller, work to massage in any leftover serum. Making sure to cover all areas of your skin, work downwards and finish at the neck. This entire routine is so calming for our nervous system. Thank you so much for joining me today. We hope you love this tool as much as we do.